Your curb up here on the roof and it looks solid, right? Watch this. Looks fine, but it moves. That's a problem. Anchors Bluetooth to leaks later. Thumb test. Press a corner. If it rocks, that's a leak waiting to happen. Slide a solid shim under it and check again. No movement? Now you can seal it. Build it right the first time. Ncf Hack number 3, part 3. Lock it in. Slide a solid, non-compressible shim under the low corner and get the curb sitting right. Fix it before sealing. No flex, no rattle, solid, square, done. Ncf.
On up, feel the vibe. 2026 we ride. Built right, easy flow. Ncf good to go.